In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gas station to GasBuddy. Adding a gas station is a straightforward process that contributes to the community by ensuring everyone has access to updated station information. If you find a gas station that isn't listed in GasBuddy, you can submit a request to have it added to the master station list. This is an important step because having accurate information helps other users save time and money on fuel. First, you need to sign in to your GasBuddy account. Look for the Sign In option on your screen, which is usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials. This might be your email and password. Signing in ensures that your request is linked to your account, which is crucial for tracking your submissions and any related updates. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. It only takes a few moments and is free to do. Once you are signed in, the next step is to open the GasBuddy Help Center. You can find this option either in the app or on the website. It's typically located in the main menu. Tap or click on the Help Center link. This section is very useful because it contains a wealth of information about how to use GasBuddy and the steps for submitting requests. It's designed to assist you, so don't hesitate to explore it if you have further questions. From there, select the option that says Submit a Request. This will take you to the form where you can provide details about the gas station you want to add. It's important to follow this step carefully because you want to ensure your request is processed smoothly. This option is specifically for users who want to contribute to the GasBuddy community by adding new stations. Next up, you'll need to choose the relevant categories. You should select App and Web, followed by Stations, and then New Station. Each selection you make narrows down the options to what you specifically need. This step is key because it helps GasBuddy categorize your request correctly. The more precise you are, the easier it will be for them to review and approve your submission. After that, it's time to enter the required information about the gas station. You will need to provide the station name, address, brand, and available fuel types. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy. This is essential because incorrect details can lead to confusion for other users. The clearer and more precise your information is, the more likely it is that your request will be approved. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the final step is to submit your request. Look for the Submit button at the bottom of the form and click it. This action sends your request to GasBuddy for review. You will usually see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that your submission was successful. GasBuddy will then review the information you provided. If everything checks out and is approved, they will add the station to its master station list. This process can take a little time, so be patient. Your contribution helps enhance the service for everyone who uses GasBuddy to find the best fuel options. As a tip, if you discover that a station already exists but has incorrect information, it is better to submit a station edit request instead of a new station request. This ensures that the existing data is corrected, which is just as valuable as adding new stations. Remember, accurate information benefits the entire GasBuddy community. Thank you for taking the time to help improve this resource.